What's good? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got another doorbell news video. The Ring doorbell video was actually good, so I'm here with another one. This one is called "This is why you can't leave your doors unlocked." Why are you leaving your doors unlocked, bro? If you guys like and subscribe, and let's see why we can't leave our doors unlocked, man.
This is why you can't leave your doors unlocked, part 7.
Yeah, this is part 7. I didn't watch part 1. I'm not searching for all that, bro.
I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this episode. It's not
Really?
easy being funny every day.
Yes!
But
Well, last time this nigga was talking, bro. Finally, bro. This person was on my porch this morning at 3:47. Watch out for him. Up to no good, trying to do it. What? Watch out for him. Up to no good, trying to doorknob. What?
now listen about me making jokes.
Okay, bro.
Home security is a serious matter, and you
Really,
gotta
bro?
take all precautions for your family to be safe.
Let me center myself, bro.
Ever since I bought my Ring doorbell a few years ago, I'd noticed people were outside of my home wiggling my doorknob when I was inside to sleep. Yeah,
I identified a woman at 5:15 a.m. this morning. A woman came to my porch and tried to open my door. Then went around towards the back, giving her the benefit of the doubt. She might have been at the wrong house. She had the wrong house, bro. She trying to, you know what I'm saying?
yeah. I would have never known that this was happening if I didn't get a video
So we just go up to the door and just try to see if it's unlocked to come inside and rob you or some shit.
doorbell.
Crazy, bro.
Here's a bunch of clips that we found of why you shouldn't leave your doors unlocked.
We just try to open the door, bro.
Now, if you live in a safe area and you don't
Random
feel the
came
need to
straight
lock
my
your
door.
doors,
If you notice,
then that's good for you. But my father always told me, if it can happen, it will. Make sure you like this
Did he get
video
into the house?
and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Wait, did he get into?
This lady's old enough to be someone's grandma, and she's still out doing burglaries. What a shame.
We broke into the apartment. October 6th, a male and a female broke into my apartment. Did shit. This old ass nigga, bro. Nigga drunk?
White folks named Stanley.
Bro.
Who are you? Hey man, what you doing?
Being
Yeah, you're in the wrong house, man.
I've been followed by men.
You're in the wrong house. Yeah, you're in the wrong house, man. Bye.
Bro, that nigga just looked like he was on drugs. He didn't know what's going on, bro. I don't think that nigga was trying to rob nobody, bro. He was just tripping.
Y'all may want to go away for a little bit. Get away from the window. Get away from the window. Get away from the
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey man, what you doing? What you doing, man? Hey, that's my yard. Get out my yard, bro. Huh? Alright, bye. Get out my yard, bro. Come on, man, with that shit.
Drug person trying to open my... Yeah, the nigga looked like he was on drugs, bro. I don't this person... Bro, who's typing this, bro? I don't. This person, he was trying to come inside my house, twisting my doorknob, and I'll be careful. I don't this... Bro. Who's writing this, bro? Just some typos, though. No worries.
I'm walking down there earlier.
The clip is done, bro. Let's show another one. Man, look at this. Bro, look at this nigga, bro. I just walked away. It's crazy.
Don't worry, I'm not leaving.
Is that a crackhead, bro? Don't do drugs, bro. I'm not a
Where
drug
you at?
person. Think you're stealing packages, bro? Bro, the thing is, these people, nigga just casually just walks off, bro. I mean, if you're gonna steal one, you might as well take both, bro. Like, why'd you leave the other one? You might as well take both. Free Christmas present, though. Who is this? Bro, come on, bro. Who the hell is she? She tried to come in my house, thank God my door was locked. She's crazy. Random people trying to come in your house. Imagine if you don't have a doorbell camera or whatever, right? Imagine the type of shit that actually happens, bro. You know, you don't even know. Nigga look like he on drugs, bro. 4 a.m. too? Look at this nigga trying to rob, bro. He sees the camera, I think. What is this nigga wearing, bro? No wonder he's trying to rob. Suspicious activity. He's at it again? What do you mean again? Well, there's this thing old lady from who was robbing earlier, bro. I was like caught on camera. Nigga, that nigga dipped, bro. No. That nigga dipped. That nigga running hella fast, bro. She cleaning up shit. Damn, bro. Was that Windex? Poor thief. Wow.
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I'm sorry.
Huh? What do you mean? Nigga, bro, nah, there's no way that's your response, bro. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't know somebody lived here.
What? I'm sorry, I didn't know someone was here. Nah. Bro. Bro, what the hell? I'm sorry, I didn't know someone was here. And she's just laughing like, nigga, you look, you stealing my shit, bro.
My bad.
My bad, and you still took it? Bro, she said my bad, and she still took it and went with the shit, bro. Me if you need...
I didn't know you lived here. I'm sorry.
Put the shit back, bro.
I just was cleaning all my stuff over there. I'm sorry. I'm homeless. I didn't know. I didn't know somebody lived here. I was like,
why wouldn't there be people living here? Like,
no, because...
You didn't know somebody lived there. Really, bro? You see all that stuff outside, and you're just nobody. It's just gonna be empty house. No one lives there, but stuff just randomly appears. Come on, bro.
Somebody left, like, I need water. I'm so thirsty. It was brand new.
fucking water,
Yeah,
man.
that's all I needed, bro. I'm sorry.
I ain't from around here. You lucky you get shot at.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really thirsty. I'm all by myself out here. Mailman's jail.
This nigga, but bro, go back inside, bro. Homeless lady trying to drink water, bro. Chill.
You lucky you get shot at.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really thirsty. I'm all by myself out here. Mailman's jail. Not that you care or anything, but
Nah, I feel that.
you know, I'm just trying to make it through another night. I'm not trying to. I don't steal from anybody. I just saw a full bottle of water, and I'm sorry.
All right, do me a favor. Don't be walking through here.
Okay. I can't go just down that way.
Yeah, you can, but come on now. It's like fucking 4 in the morning.
I know, because that way, some guy tried to put me in his car 2 nights ago.
Yeah, well, you should run around with a gun like I did.
I'm scared.
She sounds genuinely scared, bro. But no one cares about her, bro. Did you guys see a spider,
you should
bro?
run around with a gun like I did.
I'm just looking at the
Scared.
spider, bro. Yo. Wait, is the other door open? Oh, no, it's locked. Gotcha, dumbass nigga. You thought, bro. Nigga still twisting. Is he knocking? 2 a.m., bro. Bro, imagine you're trying to sleep 2 a.m. and you just hear your doorknob shaking and niggas knocking at your door, bro. Unless you're home alone too, psh, it's tough. And he's still there. Let me know if there's someone at your bro. Imagine, right? There's someone at your house at like 2 a.m. in the morning, right? And they're like, I need help. Are you going to open the door or are you just going to ignore it? Because the person could actually genuinely need help, but who knows, man. Personally, I'm not open. I'm not opening nothing, bro. I don't care, bro. These niggas still robbing, bro? They're still in the house?
What are you doing?
You see in the camera? That's tough. She took the camera. Too late. This nigga get. You know what? Bro, it's a different day. They got a different clothes, bro. This nigga, he is persistent. Why is he walking like that, bro? Hey, yo! No, you can't be trying to rob people and you're walking all zesty like this, bro. He's still trying to open the door. This nigga's still checking doors? Bruh.
What in the Beyonce moves is this guy doing?
This nigga's... Oh, I forgot this nigga was commentating too. This nigga really was actually quiet throughout the video. Damn. No, but bro. This has to be... Bro, what is this, bro?
What in the Beyonce moves is this guy doing? Get lost. I better not see you around here again.
Bro, why does she look like some type of person from Boondocks, bro? Or a GTA character, bro. Like, is the house from the last clip where the bald nigga tried to open the door? It looks like the same house, bro. Who the hell is she? She tried to come in my house. Thank God my door was locked. This nigga's still trying. This nigga using keys? Bro, that's not how it works, bro.
Where you at, sir?
I'm
Where you at, Trey?
where you at?
I told you, I said.
I'm up,
What nigga said? I'm at the
I'm up,
I think this nigga is just on drugs and genuinely confused, bro. I don't think he's trying to rob nobody, bro. It looks like he went out and just got on drugs or something, bro. I don't know. This light skin looking nigga, bro, trying to rob. He's trying his best. This nigga still trying? It's locked, bro. Give up. He's still trying, bro. Why does all these people look like they're on drugs, bro? Damn. See, if you imagine if this nigga didn't have the doorbell camera, bro. This nigga Bro, just crazy, bro. Christmas gift, bro.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you lock your doors, bro. Just make sure you lock your... Go check and see if your door's locked right now, bro. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go check and see if your door is locked, bro. If you guys want more doorbell news, get lost. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.